Upbeat music plays. Cut to a scene featuring the Bissell steam mop on the left and the Neugo steam mop on the right. Welcome to this steam mop showdown. Today, we're comparing the Bissell steam mop and the Neugo steam mop to see which one truly stands out in the cleaning arena. Get ready for a deep dive into features, prices, and what real users have to say. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell steam mop is a budget-friendly option at $92, making it accessible for most shoppers. Reviewers appreciate its value, especially those who have relied on it for deep cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Neugo steam mop comes in at $109, which some users found a bit steep, but many noted that its performance justifies the higher price tag. Overall, Bissell is praised for its affordability, while Neugo is recognized for its quality despite the cost. Next up is steam temperature. The Bissell heats up to 1,500 watts, effectively eliminating 99% of germs, which has left many users satisfied, particularly those with pets and children. However, the Neugo takes the lead with steam reaching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a powerful clean that users rave about. Many reviewers highlight how the Neugo's higher temperature allows for a deeper clean without the use of chemicals, making it a favorite for those conscious about sanitization. Now, let's discuss adjustability. Bissell features SmartSet digital variable steam control, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience, which many find impressive. Reviewers have mentioned that this feature helps tackle different levels of dirt effectively. On the other hand, Neugo also offers adjustable steam modes, which users love for its versatility across various floor types. It's like having a mop that adapts to your needs, earning praise from those who deal with multiple surfaces in their home. When it comes to the water tank, the Bissell has a standard size that generally suffices but may require frequent refills during extensive cleaning. Some users noted this as a minor inconvenience. In contrast, Neugo boasts a removable 15.2 ounces water tank, which users appreciate for its larger capacity and ease of refilling. Many reviewers have mentioned that this feature allows for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions, making it a hit for busy households. Finally, let's look at cord length. The Bissell features a decent cord length, but some users have expressed the need for a bit more reach, especially in larger spaces. In comparison, the Neugo comes with an impressive 23 feet ultra-long cord, which users absolutely love for its flexibility. Many reviewers have humorously mentioned that they could clean their neighbor's floor without needing to unplug. It's a feature that adds to the convenience of using the Neugo. In summary, both steam mops have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to slightly different needs. Bissell is favored for its affordability and effective cleaning, while Neugo shines with its powerful steam and advanced features. Users appreciate both products for their unique strengths in maintaining clean floors. So there you have it. Whether you lean towards the budget-friendly Bissell or the feature-rich Neugo, both steam mops have their merits. We'd love to hear from you. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you prefer and why. Don't forget, you can find the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep your floors sparkling clean.